folks, Poverty Point Customs here. What we're going to do today is unbox my new Viver 3-point pallet forks that I picked up for my John Deere 870. So let's get this unboxed. Alright, so I got the bars on that go into your pallet. Has the quick release pins on it there. One thing I noticed is there's a lot of slop in it. Should be a little bit bigger, that way it's not slopping around as well. You don't need a pin that's 2 inches too long for this. I do like the fact that you're able to take the bar and fold them up if you want to put the 3-point pallet lift away for storage. That way it's not taking up too much space. So on the top, so this is going to the top of your 3-point that's connected to your tractor. I do notice that these are certainly not square at all. Instead of being perfectly straight, they're leaning this way almost a 1/4 of an inch from the back to the front. So it'd be nice when they actually build these that they square everything off, because it looks really horrible as far as craftsmanship. So to put on your pins for your 3-point, so this is where it's going to be for your bottom bars. You have two different spots where you can actually mount it, the lower and the upper. I do like the fact that they have that. The only issue I have is, look at the amount of play. So even when that's nice and tight, there's a ton of play there. The hole is almost as large to the point that this can pull through, which would be my concern over time, that this is going to be a weak spot and that this is actually going to pull through, but time will tell. So we're going to put that on and tighten up the nut. And again, you have your pin there so you can quickly install it and take it off your tractor. So one thing I noticed, if you're going to put this on a tractor, you're actually going to have it in the have to have it in the top hole. If you have it in the lower hole, you're not going to be able to put your arms on. There's not enough room because you have the support bracket right here, which is a good thing that this is here. So I'm going to have to put it in the top hole and we're going to get everything snugged. Alright, so we got them all on and snugged down. So this literally only takes 2 minutes to put together, so I like the fact that it's nice and quick. So let's get this on the tractor. There we go. It tested pretty good. It's fairly stable, so hopefully the 3-point pallet lift holds up as far as the quality of it. I know it's probably just thin steel. Again, I wish that everything was squared properly. As far as putting it together and install it, very simple to do, and it's nice and easy to use. And they're fairly wide apart, so it's going to be nice and sturdy. You can actually adjust them to bring them in, so when they're fixed, that's where they stay at as far as the width. So I'll put these specs as far as what this should carry. I believe it's around 2,000 pounds, so we'll have to wait and see. That's a little more than what the tractor can actually lift with the rear 3-point. What I'll have to do again is just adjust the top link a little bit. I'll probably have to bring it out this way. So instead of leaning in, we'll get it to be more straight. Anyways, this was just a short unboxing video and installing the 3-point pallet lift for my John Deere 870 tractor again. I just got this for moving items around the property and whatnot, so it's certainly going to be a useful tool to the old tractor. Remember, if you have any questions, comments, suggestions, or videos that you want to see on the tractor or other videos on my channel, make sure you post them below. If not, thanks for watching.